What's your rod? No, it's not. Is it? Did you say that if you lay them on the side it makes them go calm?
No, I don't make them go calm.
That one don't want to be calm.
You don't grind your pliers, mate.
Yeah, no.
Oh,
Hey? He's got 4 hooks in at once.
does it?
Alright. That is a bit bigger, right? It's not the same fish.
No.
It's only like 4 pounds or 4 or 5 pounds.
What's that? That's a decent fish, isn't it? What are you catching on?